everyone, and welcome to this week's Intivix Office 365 tips and tricks. My name is Brandy, and today I'm going to show you how to use the voting button in Outlook. This is not a new feature, but not very many people are aware that it exists or how to use this feature. You will begin by replying, forwarding, or creating an email as you normally would. Type in the names of the people you wish to participate in the voting, your subject, and the question you would like the people to answer during the vote. Now that we've asked our question in the body of our email, it's time to create our voting options. Click on Options, then choose Use Buttons and click on the drop-down. You will notice that Outlook has a preset option for us to choose from: Approve, Reject, Yes, No, Yes, No, Maybe, and Custom. We're going to create a custom voting option today. You will notice in the voting and tracking options, I have typed in possible answer to the question I have asked: OneNote, Power BI, PowerPoint, Outlook. Each answer is separated by a semicolon, but no space. This is all the information I need for this vote, so I'm going to hit Close. And if you notice at the top of my screen, it says you had added a voting button to this message. Now I simply click Send. As a recipient, I may reply to the voting in two different ways. The first one, I may simply click and view my message in a separate pane and click the bar above. Here are my options: OneNote, Power BI, PowerPoint, and Outlook. My other option is to fully open my email and click on Vote. And now my answer has been sent to Jennifer. Earlier today, I had created and sent an email containing a voting option so that I may show you another feature within the voting buttons feature. When you've sent a voting option email and you've sent it to more than a couple of people, it may get tricky on tracking all of the information coming back to you. If you'll notice, here's my email that I sent earlier asking for people to let me know whether or not they will be in the San Francisco office or if they'll be off-site. In order to better track this, I'm going to click on my tracking button up at the top of the ribbon. If you notice, it has everyone that I've sent the email to listed along with their response. If you do not see a response in the right column, it's because they have not yet replied. If you look at the top of the bar in the blue, this message was sent July 10th. It tells me the number of totals. In San Francisco, 4 people have replied. Off-site, 1 person has replied. So I'm still waiting for responses. If I'd like to add filters, I can easily select this section and copy and paste it into an Excel file, which will allow me additional features and filters to better track the responses. Now you know how to easily create and track voting options within Outlook. Thank you for listening, and I look forward to speaking to you again next week.